Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to turn off comment assigned to me notification on ClickUp application. So how to turn off comment assigned to me notification on ClickUp application. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the ClickUp app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the ClickUp app. Next, tap the profile icon at the top right. And appears like this. Tap Notification Settings. And tap Comment Assigned to Me. So that's it, tutorial how to turn on comment assigned to me notification of ClickUp application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.